Body. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy to have you here. It's a morning class, and we always join you together here with my daughter every morning at 7:30. Share with you some insights about the business and also some insights about the opportunity we have at hand. My name is Wealth Coach Julius, and I'm very sad that very soon I'll be coming to the end of this class. I'm just doing my last touches with you guys. So I'm just doing my last touches with you. And very, very soon, yes, yeah, I will not be here. So I'm ending my classes this week. And so I'm doing my final touches. So today we are going to be looking at the Fibonacci extension and just a little bit recap on how to use the Fib retracement. Then tomorrow, I will be just combining indicators and sharing one more indicator. It will be my last indicator. And so today, I just want to run very fast to the topic so that I could be able to do so much, because this week I'll be coming to the end of my training, and I wish you a nice start over to another new journey with Coach Mo, who will be starting afresh from where we basically came from. So welcome to the class for today, and basically I would say that please feel at home, and we get started in our lesson for today. So today we are going to look at how to attain targets, okay? How to attain targets, especially when you discover a coin that is pumping and you like to hit it hard. So how do you attain targets of 100%, 261% in profit? So we are going to be looking at how to attain targets, friends, in our class for today. We have looked at a lot since we got started in our classes, and we believe that you have been able to learn a lot through our trainings, and we believe that you could now go into the market by yourselves and make some profit. Understand that as you get into the market to trade, some trades will be in your favor, some trades will not be in your favor. Understand that sometimes you'll win, sometimes it will take long to win. And it's part of the journey, simply because that's the journey, that's the business for you. Sometimes you will win faster, sometimes you will take long to win. And to me, it is important for you to know that there will be times when you'll be winning faster, and there will be times when you will take some time to win. If you can be able to hear my voice, give me a one in the chat. Yes, we are already in the house every morning. Yes, with my daughter, we wake up together here so that we can take you through. So we are already in our office to share with you amazing insight and share with you what we can to support. Okay. So today we shall be putting our focus and our time on some of the assets that are available for us. I see this coin Akram forming a good support. Yes, forming a good support in the 1 day time frame. And in our previous classes, yesterday, let's look at this coin called Beta. Yesterday, it really brought out the real essence of the Fib retracement. Okay, so let's see how Beta brought out this message, because the message was very, very clear. The message was basically very, very clear about Beta. Okay. All right, so let's use the 4-hour time frame so that we could see the retracements happening. Okay, so like we have said, the formula is simple. You come here, you pick the Fib retracement, and then you press it from the lowest point to the highest point. And basically, using this phenomenon, you will discover okay. So we could see that you would plan to make your entry at the 61.1, where we are going to basically draw a horizontal line, 1.8. That's where you would make your entry, either here. Okay, so now we are going to delete the tool. We are going to delete the tool, and then we bring the Fib retracement again from the highest point to the lowest point. And there we go. And so I said the target of the take profit should be in between the 38.2 and the 50% area. So it means the 50% area is here. And so it means that if we had made our profit, friends, we had made our entry from here, and we took our profit from here yesterday. This was a comfortable 18%. Is 18% good money? And this is how we basically use what we call the Fib retracement. So today, we want to change our approach. Am I loud and clear? 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 Let me know. Because those who wanted a recap, I hope I'm done. So we are now looking at the Fib extension. So I'll delete the Fib tool. And now, when we are using the Fib extension, we look at 2 points. We are going to see when we are using the Fib extension, we are going to need 3 points. Okay. All right. So let's get to this tool. And here, we are now going to look for the trend extension. Now, the formula is simple. We shall tap from the lowest point to the highest point, and then from the highest point to the lowest point. As simple as that. That's how the Fib extension works. Just a minute. Okay. Now, friends, the Fib extension just is very simple. It helps us to predict the movement of the market. If we are to draw a box, from here to here, we expect that when we use the Fib extension, when we use the Fib extension, when we use this Fib extension, basically, this distance that was moved by the Fib there after this retracement is what we expect from this retracement here. From this retracement here is what we expect that it's going to do. This same distance that was moved here from this retracement here is what we expect that the market is going to be able to rise onto. So the formula is simple. I'll keep my box there. So I'll delete. This helps us to predict the market. Okay. So you want to stay in the trend. So for example, this is from the lowest point to the highest point. This is the highest point. Then from this highest point back down here to this lowest point. You can either go for this, but you know me, I usually want the body close of the candles. So I will go for this. Or I could still go down up to here. It has no issues. So this same distance that was moved here is going to be moved here from this retracement here up. So if I'm gonna draw a box, this is what I expect. I expect this market to repeat what it did and it rise up 100%. So friends, what you're going to discover, we shall set up a target. So the next top target of this coin, if at all this coin will make an upward movement to the upside, we are going to see this coin come and hit this point above here. And like I said the other time, you can find other reasons to stay in a trade. For example, if I decide to remove this tool here, well, I can leave it. And then we use other indicators that we have looked at in the past to give us a confluence. To give us a confluence. I want to run very fast, so indicators should appear so that I introduce one more indicator. I don't know why they are not coming. Why indicators not coming? Hmm? What's happening? Am I still on the call? The indicators are taking too long. The indicators are taking too long. I don't know what to do now. I don't know what to do. So it means, let me remove this. It means that from where we are, if this coin is gonna continue, the next target, apart from support and resistance, if you want to stay in this trend, you could see this coin doing over 48%. But not friends. Remember the principles of trading still will remain on support and resistance. These guys want me to pay, even to show me indicators. Are they serious for real? Ah, I'm trading. You are becoming too much greedy. I just want to see indicators. I don't want to pay you now. So you also need the money only now. Indicators are not showing up. I don't know why, but maybe I need to restart the app again. I don't know what's happening. I really do not know what is happening. I do not know what is happening. Let me try. I personally love coins that on a downtrend because they usually give me better income than coins that are on an uptrend. So if I want to analyze, I want to go in for coins that are down already. Okay. So same principle. We are learning the Fib extension. So you come here, you pick it from the lowest point to the highest point, from the highest point to the lowest point. Simple principle. And then you get your target. I would say it gives you target to stay, especially this applies to coins that are pumping and you want to stay in the trade. For example, if this is a coin that is pumping, but this one is just starting its journey. So this one will just give you good money. Let me delete. This one will just give you good money because how many of you can see formation of a double bottom down here? How many of you can see formation of a double bottom down here? How many of you can see a buying pressure wick formed on the green candle down here? This is buying pressure. Let me know. Am I speaking to some traders in the house? Because we have looked at all this. How many of you can see buying pressure down here? Let me know in the chat. And this confirms to you that this coin is at an area of reversal. Good. Because as long as you can see, then the rest is very easy. So if you want to stay in a trade, that's all. You look for the lowest point, you find your highest point. But now this one is just returning back from where it came from. But it gives a good example here. Let me take advantage and show it to you. Let me just leave this up there. Okay, so this is the Fib extension. The trend, it maintains the trend generally. So this is your lowest point, your highest point, and this is your reversal. And this is what I've been talking about. It really brings out that real deal. Okay, and you take your profit at 100%. So this coin NC brings out the deal very well. I don't know if all you can see. The movement from here to here is the same movement from here to here. So let's bring our box so that you could be able to see. So I will draw up to there. Then I'll drag it. Can we see that? Can we all see that, friends? The distance, that's how the Fib extension worked. The distance that moves from here, from this lowest point to this highest point, is usually the same distance that this coin will move. Give me a 2 in the chat if you have seen that, especially if the coin is on an uptrend and you want to stay in the trend. Are we following? Give me a 2 if you can see that. The same distance. So the same distance, the Fib extension keeps you to stay in a coin for long. Let me remove it again. And I show you. This is the Fib extension. You press it at the lowest point to the highest point. Then from the highest point to the retracement. How do you take your profit? You can take your profit the following points. One, the 100% line. Here, you take your first profit at 100%. If it makes a breakthrough and makes a confirmation, then your next stop take profit, my friend, is 168%. So then the next take profit is 261. But me, I would recommend, according to how I've seen this Fib extension work, I recommend 100%. That is the one I recommend. But like I've said, when you measure from your lowest point to your highest point, this one, it's usually the same distance moved by the trade from the retracement to that. It is the same distance. So it means that from here to here is equal from here to here. The market repeats this move to the upside and gives you 100%. Let me bring the price range. So if someone had made this, they would have made their comfortable 25%. It is the same journey that was moved by this trade. Just that this trade is diagonal, so I could not take it, but the box shows you very well. So you take your first 27%, you repeat another 27% after the retracement. Which tool are you using? The Fibonacci. Now, the Fib extension, now in this area now, you could apply the Fib tool. If you want to trade this currently, not the Fib extension. Okay, now if you want to apply the Fib retracement, like we said, it's simple. From the lowest point to the highest point. You find 2 points. And we draw our line. Let me bring in the horizontal line at 61.8, our entry, and that's where the trade is. Now we wanna come up with targets of exit in the trade. What are we going to do? We are going to pick our Fib retracement again from the highest point, the lowest point, so that we get our target. And we said our target is between 50 and 38.2. So target is there at the 50% line, and still we can take our second target at 38.2. How many of you can see, even before I pass through my line, that the 50% is at an area of support? Or sorry, of resistance? How many of you can see that the 50%, the first line I've drawn up here, is at an area of resistance? How many of you can see that this line is at an area of resistance? It's not touching it, but it's at an area of resistance. Now it keeps ringing bells in your ears if you are following closely. So what shall I do? I'll remove this, then I'll enter at current price. I'll enter at current price and take my first 4% clean money. Then if I want to set up margin calls, I'll set up margin calls and I'll give a drop of 5%. Brianna, did you take my phone? No? Are we learning? Are we learning, friends? Is this hard or it is easy? Is it hard or it is easy? Is this hard or it is easy? Is it hard or it is easy? Is it doable? because sometimes people give up. Sometimes people give up. Mm. And they do not do what they are supposed to do because of fear. And this trade will be giving us some good money. These trades will be giving us some good money. Are we there? Oh, okay. So now, having explained, any question about the fib and the fib retracement? Any question about the fib and the fib retracement? Because generally now, I want to change my focus to another indicator. I want to change my focus to another indicator. I want now to change my focus to another indicator. Any questions before I change? Any questions before I change? Any questions about the fib and the fib extension? Hope that is enough for now. And any questions? Now let me go to another indicator. How do you measure the drop? You use how does the two? You use support and resistance. Drops happen with support and resistance. The drawing of my line here, I used this. Did you see this? I used this. If I want to draw more, I just need to look back. Simple. I see a minor support here, a minor support. I draw the line. I look back. I see a resistance. I see another support here. So that's how you come up with support and resistance. That's how you come up with margin call drops. The margin call drops that you are talking about, they come from resistance and support. So I look back, all these. The market can go through all these, by the way. The market can go through all these. So someone can just measure from their entry price to that, and it becomes the drop. Is it clear? Someone asked me about William. Are you okay now? William, are you okay? How does the two beta differ? I don't understand. The Fib extension. The Fib extension works when you are looking for coins that are pumping to get targets. Does the Fib extension work only in pumping coins to get targets, or can also be used in dipping coins? Yes, it can be used on a dipping coin to get targets of the sell if you are trading futures. To determine the sell. I'm gonna keep this coin and take a 47% take profit, and I'll remind you about it. I hope I'm done with these stuffs. Hope I'm done with this. Now, I want to do just a few more indicators, and today I want to introduce another indicator. It was not on my syllabus, but I'm trying to just manage my time. I'm supposed to end at 8:30. So let me introduce an indicator. I don't know what's happening with my indicators today. They are not appearing. I don't know why. And I don't know who's working for who, whether the trading tool is now working for someone else than me who has. This coin is good. This coin is good. But the indicators are not working. Let's first give in some 2 minutes and see. Uh, Guys, these indicators are not working. I don't know what is happening. Okay. Now here, if I don't have indicators, can I trade? Yes, you can. You can draw a trend line just above your candles like this. And you draw a horizontal line. Of this we have looked at as an area of support. And you wait for the breakout. The immediate take profit I see here, because the indicators are not working, this is very fast. The indicator I see here, that is possible. The immediate take profit I see here is this one. What's up? You can either press it here at this area. It is easy. Here you are using lines to trade. I don't know if people understand what I'm doing. I'm using lines to trade. Then I take this. It's a 3%. Very easy, very achievable. Now here I'm using lines to trade. I'm not using any tool or any indicator. I'm using lines to trade. I don't know. Am I making sense to someone? Here I'm using lines to trade. And if I want to draw margin calls, I can look at these minor supports and resistances here. Or if this doesn't, if your analysis is not working out here in the 4-hour time frame, then come in 30 minutes. It will make sense. In the lower time frame, it will always make sense. I don't know if someone is now able to see very well. In the lower time frame, it always makes sense. Lines can be used for trading. I can just come and draw my lines, then I make profit. if indicators are not appearing. But this is very easy. I see it here. I have taught all these. And as I speak, my 3% is about to be hit. It is simple. I can see it. I see the market is being supported and resisted. If you're not good at drawing these lines and you are good at using the rectangle, you still come up here. You pick your rectangle from the lowest point to the body close of the red candle at the bottom. So I'll take it there. Just take it there. Then I extend it all through. I've created an area of support. Area of support. If I'm not good at this, I've also taught you the parallel channel. Let me move this. I've taught you a parallel channel. I remember myself. So I just come here, pick my parallel channel, just a reminder, press it at the highest points there. Make sure I have, let me use the body close. So let me delete it. Let me delete it. So I'll come and pick my parallel channel. I press it at the body close. I'll not use the wick. I'll press it at the body close. Perfect. There. Then I extend it to the body close this side. This is a parallel channel. I want to make profit. I hope people are trading this coin. While the coin, I enter from current price to this. I take my comfortable 2%. It was 3, but now it is 2%. What am I using? Support and resistance. What about margin calls, Julius? Simple. Come here from current price to this line, first call. Is this hard or it is easy? Indicators are not working. I want to make money. Use the drawing tools. You don't need indicators. Am I making sense? Yes, you can trade. Very easy. You know, you draw lines. You don't say, I want to trade, but now indicators must confirm what you already know. Before you bring in indicators, let me bring in this coin, insert, this one. And I want to trade. What is the first thing? Let me draw off everything. Let me remove all the drawings. Here is the trade, and I want to trade. How will my analysis come into play? Good. There are so many. Maybe you want to try the parallel channel. Try it first. Body close. Then stretch it to the highest points. Either I can stop here. I take these highs. Or I go in for the body close this side. How many of you can see that the market is moving within my channel? Let me move it just a little bit. How many of you can see that the market is moving within my channel? How many of you can see? Here it broke to the downside. How many of you can see that the market's moving within my channel? So wherever the market touches my parallel channel, I draw a horizontal line. Simple. That is the principle. Wherever it touches my line, I draw a horizontal line. So here, the market touched my line here. I'll draw a horizontal line. Do you see how it becomes an area of resistance here? And a little bit an area of support and an area of resistance. Then I want to take quick profit. I don't waste time. Current price to my resistance, bam. 3%. Current price to my support, bam. Current price to my support, bam. My margin calls. Is that hard? Then I can draw these other minor support and minor resistances that I can see. Next. I want to trade this coin. I don't have indicators. There are so many tools you can use. Me, I love the parallel channel. It's usually my best. Press it at the lowest point here. Press it at the body close of this. Extend it to highs. End of my choice. I could choose these highs here. I could say I take the whole trade. So I will take that. Simple, my friend. Wherever it touches my middle line, I draw the horizontal line. Simple. I bring it touched here. Boom. Line. At an area like this, here it is acting as a support, but it was broken. Then it came down here. It touched here, I draw my second line. Whenever it touches my line, I draw a horizontal line. Bam. It touched here, I draw a horizontal line. Now I come, I press my horizontal line here. Bam. Now, Julius, what next? It touches my horizontal line. I draw another line here. Bam. So I want to trade. What do I do? Simple. Using principles of support and resistance, enter from current price. I'll take profit there. Then I take my margin call. The worst is this one. So I'll first take off the least one here. But this is a little bit far. I would still looking for other small areas because there are other small areas of resistance here. But when I use my super bull run or buy by poverty strategy with my AI margin call, I don't need these drops. So it's a 9%. 2/3 of the journey, I'll take a 5% comfortably. Let me look for another point. Feeder. Here there is high selling pressure, which means this coin might continue going down. I run away. How many of you can see high selling pressure here? How many of you can see high selling pressure here? I would like to trade the coin, but the candles are speaking another language. The coin is good, but the candles are speaking another language. I run away. I don't need to stay on the coin. Am I making sense to someone? I see with my eyes high selling pressure. Why should I stay? I see that, yes, there's a long shadow. There's no reason why I die on the coin. I click next. I don't need to pretend. Wow, look at this stupid money that has been flopping up here. Who can give me a reason why this candle is a green candle? Some answers in the chat. Who can give me a reason why this candle is a green candle? Let me widen it. Who can give me a reason why you could see that this candle is a green candle? A reason? Anybody with a reason why this candle is a green candle? A reason. There was buying pressure. Thank you. Simple. That's why the buying pressure below caused that candle to rise. Now, me like this one, I just move on. Unless now, like in 30 minutes time frame to see if there is opportunity. Okay? The 3 white soldiers. But now I'll look for a better one. That one is skipped opportunity. That one is skipped opportunity. Hmm? Now, I like meme coins. I usually love checking on them because they usually bring in some little volatility in the market. This one has overdropped. What is it chasing down there? It's an area of where the market is expected to reverse. Julius, I want to trade 0 indicators. How many of you can see? It's very easy here to draw support and resistance. Very easy. Very easy. When you are analyzing the market, you analyze the market from a principle of top to down analysis, not from down to top. Give me one in the chat if you have understood that. When you are analyzing the market, you analyze the market from a top to down analysis. You don't analyze the market from down to top. Give me a 2 in the chat if that is clear. You don't come to the market, look at 30 minutes time frame first, then you go to 1 hour time frame. Am I making sense to someone? The coin here is now leading the race. Now here I can trade. sambaratika kwa moto. But I need some indicators to get a real confluence of what is happening here. But for sure, indicators have refused D. Indicators have refused D. I need some indicators here to really get a confluence of what's happening on that trade. I need indicators, sure. I don't know. The coin looks good, but how many of you can see free money being made here? Are we making money? Are we winning on this trade? Very soon. Very soon. We are winning there. We are winning there. We shall win on this one. This one I'm going long term. I'll take 47%. I will stay in this trade. Now, how do you stay in a trade for long? Let me delete this so that I show you. People ask me, how do you come up with... Now, indicators have refused, but I want to trade, okay? Look here, friends. Look here. The best principle is drawing of lines, which many people do not. But let's look at them. Okay, so I will pick a trend line. Either press it here at the bottom. But this trend line of mine, that starts from the air. You know, when you are drawing your trend line, it must start from somewhere. Am I not forcing it? Good. Okay, so I'll draw another trend line above the candles. We take this high. Check. I will take this high. And then draw it across. Now, let me tell you, friends, whether someone likes it or not, me when I draw, so I'll draw this at the body close of these candles here. Hey, my friend. Hey, this coin. Let me even bring my pyro channel just to confirm what I'm seeing. Am I seeing very well? Or I'm not seeing. Let me bring my pyro channel. Pyro channel, where are you? Press you here. Press you there. Am I seeing? Then extend you to the highest point. Let me take you up to there. This coin. But it might not respect the pyro channel. But what I see, it has respected my trend lines. This one, this trend line and this one is forming what we call a symmetric triangle. So I want to take profit. I will stay in this coin from this point, this point. At the breakout here. I'll keep this for reference in the future. All I've told you the Fib extension from the highest point, from the lowest point to the highest point, from the highest point to the lowest point, either here or here, any of the two. So the last take profit that is serious here is at this point, at 100% there. So that becomes my target. this one. But this coin, to do this, it will take a lot of time. So some people enter trades and they start sweating. This one we must get out very soon. Very soon. This will be very easy. Indicators have refused. I decided to go back to trend lines. But let us see what will work out tomorrow. I hope we see tomorrow, friends. I've given you this coin to trade. This one confirmations are not in. This one I didn't give you as a signal, but I was here. I told you it can give you some money. This one is also good. This one is also good, friends. This one is also good. Now someone is asking, how do you see that the coin is good? I can see with my naked eyes that this coin moved up from here to here. Then it made a retracement. If in my mind I know the fib, let me say from here to here, that is 61.8 area. I know it in my mind. This coin is good. It is there. Then I want to get targets. So I put my line, let me put my line at the 61.8. I know it because when you practice, you can see that the market has done a very good retracement. Now, you want to get exits in the market. You know where to enter from the highest point to the lowest point. And your target take profit is at the 38.2 or the 50% there. Then another one there. Good. Then I remove this tool. My chart is there. So now the other thing is I can see support and resistance. I can see support here. I can see here. I can see here. I can see here. Am I drawing them very well? This is support. Am I drawing them very well? Then resistance. So I can comfortably, without any indicator in my chart, say that from the current price, I will take a 3%. And from the current price, I can set up margin calls. And I can still look through for minor support and minor resistance. When I see here, the market was resisted here. So this could be just an area. So I can raise it up a little bit to there, an area. I taught you how to draw areas. This is an area. So I can say that from the current price to here, that is margin call one, or to here, all I do up to here, 7%. This is because here it looks to be a strong support. When I open all, I can still open all of them up to the bottom here, but I doubt whether it will go for it. Is this hard or it is easy? Because that is trading. Is it hard or it is easy? Someone is asking where the 61.8. That is trading. Someone asked me where the 61.8. Let me draw it for you again. Indicator has refused, but still back to basics. Even if I remove my fib from here, from the lowest to the highest, I take this, I'm looking at a bigger spread. You see my line, the 30, that the 61.8 is here. I'm repeating for someone, it is here still. Even if this was my lowest point, that was my 61.8. Now let me remove the tool. Let me now remove the tool. Now this is my 61.8, right? Now still, I bring my fib from here, the highest point. I brought the extension. Let me delete the fib from the highest point to the lowest point. Why am I putting this? To get targets of where the robot will sell for me. Target maximum 50. That's where my maximum target is. Next target maximum 38.2. I have two take profit targets. Then now let me remove the tool. I have known my targets of take profit. Now I enter the trade. I enter the trade. I come here, pick my price range, current price. Current price to this 2.8. Current price to this margin call. Is that hard? No indicator in my chart. Why don't I end here? Because here I see it is a support. The market came down, touched here, went up, came down. I cannot take this support lightly. It is a support. Is that hard? Let me know. Is it doable? Then the other thing, when you set up a trade, is it doable? Things are easy. The challenge with most of you, when you pick trades, you start sweating. Someone picks a trade like this, he starts sweating. Why is it not selling? It should sell now. When you were drawing the lines, had you made an agreement with the coin? Hey, I'm feeling bad. The coin is not selling. I expected it. When I draw my lines, chill off. If you can't be patient, get out of trading. It's a very good trade. Very nice, sweet one. Render. The render token. I don't know whether it's one that's going to be delisted. This has a very good network. How many of you can see the triple bottom? How many of you can see the triple bottom down here? How many of you can see the triple bottom? It has to reverse to the upside. Resisted here, resisted here, resisted here. This is a triple bottom. It has to go up. These are just simple things you can already see. This is a triple bottom. How many of you can see the triple bottom? The market came down, supported here, went up, came down, supported here, went up, came down, supported here, went up. It has to go up. It is a strong area where the market is being resisted. Simple. What do? I pick my rectangle, pick any lowest points here, stretch it to this, then extend it to the red candle. I draw it straight. I not end here because it's not create an area. Good, beautiful. I extend it. I make sure my area is strong, good, powerful. I draw. That is my support area. Check it out in 30 minutes and see how sweet it is. Beautiful, fantastic. What am I waiting for? Confirmation, confirmation, confirmation. Am I making sense to somebody? What am I waiting for? Confirmation, confirmation, confirmation. I'm waiting for a green candle, this one. Once it closes, I look for the nearby resistance to take my quick profit. And there is nearby resistance is here. Beautiful. I pick my price range. Say, what if things happen from current price to this? This is 1.9. No, this is very little money. I cannot work for it. So I go to a bigger time frame. I'm looking, I go to 1 hour. I go to 1 hour, it's 1.9. Okay, but it's not good enough. Me, I will wait. Let me go to 4 hour time frame to find a better take profit, which I will wait for. I'm a person good at waiting for good. So I'll look back in the history. Where was this coin resisted or supported? Minor support and minor resistance areas. And I'll definitely take this. Let me see how much take profit. Me, I don't take those small take profits. I'm not phenomenal to them. When I trade, I trade. I better be patient than me taking pennies. Although some people love them. Okay, good. 3%. It's in my blood. Then I will look at this, wait for the breakout here. I don't need to be excited. I wait for the breakout. Once the breakout happens, bingo, I go in. I don't need to sweat with trading. Wow, this is a nice trade. Why is it nice? I backtrack my coin. I look at it critically here. I can see that it's trying to form a double bottom down here. My friend, I cannot sleep on this opportunity. I backtrack in the history of this coin. I still look down in the history. I see what happened. This that is happening here happened here. Okay, so this is a strong area of support. Hello. Are we following? Are we following? That's how you trade. That's how you trade. You backtrack. You backtrack the coin and look at how has this coin be okay. It went up, came down here, went up. Okay, came down here. So this area is a major support. Supported here, supported here, supported here. Okay. So let me maybe check it up. But when you're doing it top-down analysis, not down-top analysis. Okay, so let's look at this in one day. Good. I can't ask why this market is good because I see supported here, here, and here. So once I get a confirmation, so what do? I pick my horizontal line. I create an area of support. Beautiful. Okay, having created my area of support in this area here. I've drawn it perfectly. Then I say, let me now check it in 1 hour and I see if there is an earlier entry. What am I looking for? Confirmation, confirmation, confirmation. If I don't see confirmation, I don't trade. If I will trade, where will I take my profit? Nearby, next resistance, which is this one. Okay, I'll wait for my confirmation. Let me see, will I have business here? 5%. This sticks in my blood and I like it. So I'll wait to see confirmation, then I'll take something like 3%. But indicators help to give what we call a confluence. It gives you a confirmation. I would press in some indicators here to see if what I think is what is happening. Hello. Then the other thing is patience. It's really patience. As long as the market is reading what I'm reading, I don't need to get my heart off my body. You see, someone is trading, but their heart is not on their body. The heart has already left the body. They are just moving human beings. But for them, they are not around. The heart has already left the body. Mm-hmm. This one. Yeah, so I've already drawn my areas and I'm just waiting to see if I get a confirmation on any, then I'm in. All right, friends, I only gave you this for today. And let's see what happens with the market as we remain patient. With that said and done, I will see whether tomorrow the indicators will work. There are people who can analyze an opportunity. There are people who can analyze an opportunity. Someone makes a decision in January to get started, but every day is telling you, I have the money, I have the money, but I fear. Stay with the money. Who told you that me I'm on you? I have the money. Every time someone wakes up in the morning, comes in your chat, I have the money, 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 I have the money. Then you ask him, what's wrong? I have the money, but you see, you leave my chat, go comfortably. Sometimes, hey, I have the money, I have the money. Why are you in my chat every day? I want to see you physically. I have the money, I have the money. Activate the robot. I want to see you. I want to. People can waste your time. Now he thinks when he tells me he has the money, I will have sleepless nights, still thinking about his money. His money. What is $120? What is 100? I have the money. I have my 500. I have it. I have it. So start. But you see, but you see, but you see. Then leave my chat. We are here suffering with the market. You also have emotions. He wants to see you that you sign an agreement just in case. An agreement for what? You sign an agreement. Now what if? Coach, do I wait for confirmation candlestick while in the same time frame? You can go to a lower time frame and make another entry. You can go to a lower time frame and make an earlier entry in the market. Okay. I see next. Someone had a question here. When shall another series of classes start? I believe, let me say it on Monday. Monday next week. Tomorrow, I will do the smart money indicator and the stochastic RSI. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, next week, I will come here and give combination of indicators. I'm gonna use my other PC. This one maybe has issues. I don't know why the indicators aren't appearing. I'll use another PC. I'll use my second PC here. I'll use my daughter's PC to share. I did the pivot points. I think I did the pivot point standard. Did I? I think I did not maybe explain pivot, support, resistance. I think I'll redo that tomorrow. I will do three. I will do the pivot point, the stochastic RSI. Yes, I'll do the pivot points. I'll teach how they are calculated. Pivot points, stochastic RSI, and the smart money indicator tomorrow. Three of them. Then Monday, combination. We shall combine indicators. Yeah, we shall combine indicators on Monday. Those in Kampala on Saturday, friends, do not miss our mega event. Starts at 11 a.m. with members training. Then at 2 p.m. business presentation. See you in Kampala. Those that will be there, I don't think I'll be there because I'll be in Kampala not for that. Me, I'll be in Kampala for I'll be attending a special meeting in Kampala. Okay, I believe according to the message I got here, I'm supposed to be there, but I will not be in for that event. But the venue, I think the flyer is already out. Yeah, Prince Alan, send me a message. I add you to the group of the leaders in Kampala. You can always follow. Uh, Prince, send me a message on my WhatsApp. Hotel Bombo Road. Please send me a message on WhatsApp. I add you to the group of the leaders in Kampala so that you can always follow what is happening. All right, friends, that's it and done. I wish you a nice day and bye. Yeah, the market, someone saying the market is down. The market will recover. Whatever goes down comes up. I gave you reasons yesterday why the market is going down, and I expect it to go down more a little bit because there is a platform that is selling exchanges. There's a platform. There is a platform that is selling its Bitcoin. So since that is happening, my friend, this market can still do another move to the downside. So just be patient. If you don't have more money, if you have more money, open margin calls, buy more. If you don't have, like the saying says, the less money you have, the more patient you become. You don't have an option. Coach, I'm new in the business. I joined on the 1st January. I need to learn more. It's your first class. We have been here for the last 3 months. So just attend more trainings. It's your first class. We have been here for the last 3 months. So me, I'm just now finalizing for the old people. For the new people, next week, you will start afresh. What is a candle? What is trading view? A candle, the body, the size, the topo, the small, the wiki. Why is this like a DC? Oh, no. The another leader will be here. From zero, what is a candle? What is the history of the candle? Where did the candles come from? Who started them? Oh, where did you come from? The candle. Why are we using candles? Why trading give you? Someone will come and speak all that to you next week. Yeah, next week. The candle, the red, the green. Why is it green? Why is it red? Why is it not yellow? Why is it? Why is it not red? I came to know one short strategy is the best option to make money. Yes, it is one shot. What do you mean? Yeah, we trade one shot, we don't trade cycle. Me, I didn't come from a candle. It's okay. It's okay, my brother. It's okay. Yeah, but you you are here. It comes out quickly. Yes, it does. You I know you are new, my friend. Ronald, you are new, but wait when it will catch your leg. You will say it over goes down. So when someone is new and picks a trade and the market goes in their favor, they are very happy. But when you pick one that goes against you, that's when you'll understand that this market, sometimes it can humble you. I know you are new because you picked a trade and it delivered. Just manage your wallet. Do not overtrade. Don't put all your money in one trade. Not overspread your funds. I usually say if I have $1,000, I will trade one coin with 500 and leave 500 unused. But if you have $100, for you, you cannot manage what you don't have. Yeah. Yeah, because you see, when someone is new, my friend, and he takes the trade and it wins, the next trade he wants to go in with all their capital, the coin doesn't return. Mhm. Then they feel like they should post their screenshots in the group for help. But then, guys, thank you so much for today. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.